Hi guys, look at this kid. I just give him a 200 billion shekels and he's so happy. And I told him that I'm recording. Yeah. And guys, I just give him a lot of pets. Look guys how happy he is. Yeah. I gave him a lot of capybara, peacocks, like that. And he said hello. So guys, comment your username. So I will give you some pets. And some fruit worth 10 billion plus. Yeah, that's all. Bye. Don't forget like to subscribe. Bye guys.